Welcome back to Bright Mind. If you're preparing for the writing test and wondering how to nail those essay questions, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the 4 essential rules you need to follow for success in any essay. Let's dive straight into today's topic, the 4 rules for answering any IELTS essay. Rule number 1, and probably the most important, is to understand and address the prompt fully. Too many people rush into writing without carefully reading the question. Make sure you identify the topic, the specific task, whether it's to give your opinion, compare both views, or discuss advantages and disadvantages, and the instructions. This way, you'll stay on track and avoid going off topic. Next, you need to focus on organizing your essay clearly. Structure it into 3 main parts: an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Your introduction should present the topic and your thesis statement. Each body paragraph should cover one idea with examples. And always end with a conclusion that summarizes your main points or your stance. Rule 3 is all about vocabulary and grammar. The more diverse your language, the better. Instead of repeating the same words, try using synonyms and a variety of phrases related to the topic. Also, mix simple, compound, and complex sentences. Remember, your grammar needs to be spot on for that high score. Finally, stay within word limits and manage your time. Aim for at least 250 words, but don't go overboard. You want to be clear and concise. Take a few minutes to plan before writing and always leave time to review for any last-minute changes or corrections. And that's it. These are the 4 rules you need to follow for any IELTS essay. Follow them, and you'll be on your way to a better writing score. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Bright Mind, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more IELTS tips and study hacks. Thanks for watching.